Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can create an account on Google Pay. So I'm going to be showing you how you can set up a Google Pay on your iPhone, so make sure to watch this video till the end. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first thing, you need to download the application from the Apple Store. So once you're done downloading it, next interface will be directed to sign up or login interface. Since we are creating an account, so then you need to click on sign up. So after you tap on sign up, you have two different options. So you can either sign up using your email address or phone number. So once you're done entering the information, tap on next. So after that, you need to verify. So for that, a verification code will be sent through an email or an SMS. And once you receive your verification code, you need to type in your verification and then tap on next. So after that, there are information. So make sure to go through it, and then in order to proceed on, tap on next. And after that, you can even find a friend from the contact list. And after that, you've successfully set up a Google Pay on your iPhone. So that is how you can set up or create an account on Google. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.